Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make bash scripts to streamline your workflow for whatever you're doing in Linux. So what you want to do first is create a directory for your bash scripts just to make them, just to know where they are. So let's do cd, or ls and then cd into our documents. Once you're there, do mkdir, and then I'm just gonna do, since I already have one, I'm gonna do a separate one, bash scripts 1. And then you ls to show the bash scripts directory you just created. There it is. Then you go into cd, the bash scripts 1 ls, and there's nothing there, so let's create one. So we're going to do nano, and then let's do probe 2, or you could do probe 1. I already have one, so I'm going to do 2. So 2.text, we're going to create a text file. Enter. And then right up here, you're going to want to do hashtag, exclamation mark, backward slash, bin, backward slash, bash. And then enter. And let's say you want to do like a whole bunch of different commands by only typing in one word. So for example, let's say I want to do like an nmap of a certain IP address. I'm just going to do my own here. The generic one. And then let's say I want to show my IP configuration, so ifconfig. And let's say I also want to show the other IP configuration, so we'll do apaddr. And then we're just going to Control X, hit Y, and hit enter. And I just saved it, so you could see it if you type in ls. There it is, probe2.text. So probe2, you're going to want to, if you want to execute it, you have to do chmod, make it an executable, chmod plus x probe2.text, hit enter, and now we can execute it. So type in bash, and then probe2.text, hit enter. And as you can see, it did an nmap of the network. Okay, it went ahead and displayed our IP configuration. And it looks like it couldn't find ipaddr. Let me check that one real quick. Oh, okay, it has to be spaced. So let's go back into it. We're gonna do nano probe2.text and just put a space right there between IP and addr. And then I'm gonna save that again. And then bash probe2.text. There it is. So with this method, you can execute multiple commands at the same time by just typing them into the text file first, just setting up whatever commands you want to execute, and just simply by putting in bash and a one word, whatever word you used for that probe2.text, you you can save a lot of time. Instead of having to type in all those different commands every time, you could just set it up to be under one word. So there you go. Use that as you will. I'll see you next time. Bye.